Choke's on.
Ignition's on, radio's on.
Okay, choke off. Back. 34.
Take it off.
Sure. Stay with me though.
Watch the rudder. It's going to want to go the wind into the wind anyway.
Yep.
It's handled it fine.
Pretty good.
How can you fly without a hat on?
I'm not taking it into the sun.
That's the best time for a club. No wind. It's kind of relaxing.
Well, I gotta learn to fly it in the wind. You can't.
Power. Come this way, close to the rock. There you go.
Oh shit.
Okay. Weather vane's a lot. Unless you
Stop.
tackle with it.
You wanna try it?
With the stab. You start it. Gear above idle.
Yep. You could probably let a weather vane just take off, right? Jesus.
Yeah, exactly.
What was that? 2 feet? Yeah, because you brought it down to kill it the last time.
I think it's got enough power, don't you?
Yep.
All right, you guys take care, guys.
See you, Steve. Got it to stall there. So you might want to put a little expo in the ailerons.
I got 30%.
Really?
But maybe I need to go higher on high rates.
You may have a shitload on.
I can see 30% on low rates, but maybe it needs more on high rates. Okay, it's out of the northwest, right? Oh, was that sweet or what? It does run a weather vane, doesn't it?
Right.
a very short takeoff.
Are you flying around for a while?
No, I don't want to.
Huh?
I'm done.
What do you mean you're done? So I'm holding rudder there to keep it kind of straight down the end.
Not a lot though.
Enough. Helps with the weather vane, right?
Underneath that thing
All this fuel all over. I thought we were trying to not.
well, that's because it crashed.
Well, that's not from the crash. You can see where he splattered on the crash. That's from somebody else. Same with here, 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 here.
I'll shut it off. Got it.
Sounds good.
What do you think about the idle?
But the what?
What do you think we ought to do on the idle?
If it was me, I'd probably take it home,
Yeah,
set up on a bench,
yeah.
take the cowl off, and run it for a while. How much fuel's through this thing?
Not much. This is still a fairly new airplane. Thank you.
And let it run for a while and just really get it tuned in. Or just fly it. And just don't. Well, good braking is to fly it. But I did click back. I added a couple clicks of low that time, so it's almost like you got to fiddle with it a little bit and figure it out.
Could be the fuel too. That's fuel's 3 months old.
Shouldn't matter.